this blunt fucked up.
Told you not to get these.
Damn swishers.
Fuck these swishers. We're not buying these no more. We need to get White Cats next time.
Hands up in the air.
Good music.
Hands up in the air.
Like this. How about?
Hands up in the air.
Ready, get.
Bring that shit to me. Throw it at me like a broken and sock your ass.
Ooh. I gotta like this.
Bring it.
Erica, pass that to
You
her.
are long as fuck. She said you're long as fuck. Stretch your
What?
fucking over here.
Don't talk to me like
We
that.
got Miss
Who
Stretchy
are you
over
talking
here.
to?
Put her
I'm not
over
Miss
there.
Stretchy. Arguing. I'll light your ass on fire, blood. Don't fuck with me. You'll be a pyro for real.
I'ma slap these bitches and them shit.
Like
I'ma
this.
slap them.
Swear I'm gonna do it like I never had it at.
I'ma slap you, Raven.
She's
Don't let me play it.
This is funny. We're gonna do shout outs, Erica. Who do you want to shout out first? Who do you want to shout out? Well, shout out to Raven. That bitch is crazy. Ignore.
We got Miss Short Arms over here and Miss Stretchy over
Miss
here.
Stretchy. I'm Miss Stretchy. Call me Miss Stretchy.
And call me Erica. Call me Daddy.
I'm Daddy. Call
I'm
me
Daddy,
Daddy.
bitch.
Call me Daddy.
Alright. You see? Right here.
got me pregnant. She is Daddy. Well, I guess Erica's Daddy.
I'm about to have a kid. I'm Daddy.
I'm about to be in that big.
I got a big old
She
dick.
got a big thing of that. She got an elephant.
I use this, the Magnum.
The extra large. Have you seen these rappers
You
before?
can see Magnum. Oh, there you go, right there.
See it? Shout out to Mom. We gotta shout her out. My mom.
Let's give a shout out to Raven because she's about to hit the blunt after you. Pass it, you've been sitting there the whole time. With
You got a hit.
Oh, Raven.
I'ma look like you would look.
Raven. Miss Short